Hi, I'm Tarek Rivera, and today I'd like to talk to you about the net, the cosmic web of connection. Everything is connected. Have you ever met someone just for that moment and it felt as if you've known them forever? That's netism in action. Have you ever talked to this person and complete each other's sentences? Have you ever thought of a person and then seconds later they text or call you? That's netism in action. Sometimes it's a small thing that we take for granted, not realizing, and sometimes it's more obvious. There are so many instances of synchronicities or coincidences that we believe is a coincidence, but in fact, it's netism in action. There's a cosmic web, a grand design that echoes to space and time. That every life, every instance of spark of thought, every heartbeat, or just breath of breathing in and out, it's netism in action. Our intent is strong. So positive and negative effects have good or bad consequences, depending. So if you have a negative thought, that also echoes to space and time. So we have to try our best, even if we have a bad day, that's totally understandable. But for the most part, I think if we all can rise above the mundane world and awake from this dream to the reality that is us, that we're all connected, that we're not alone. We're not moving through life alone, even though sometimes it can seem like it. It can seem as if our thoughts or our inner passions, desires are only our own and not connected. That is an illusion that I'm hoping that you yourself are breaking, that we all can break together. Our intent is powerful, and so the more we unify as a people, the more we communicate, some verbally, some energetically. Our energy itself is powerful. You can even have a bad day I was mentioning, where you can have this heavy weight on your shoulders. You enter a room, someone walks in, and then their own energy just lifts you up. For some reason, you have no understanding of how this happened, but yet it's there. That energy exists in all of us. The energy to lift each other up. Just having a positive mindset, so you can give each other hope, can fuel each other's dreams and intent. Imagine just having a positive mindset alone, and then taking that mindset and putting it to an intent that's more specific. You may have an ailment or illness that you're trying to work on. I myself do. I'm disabled, and my energy is constantly being pulled from the illness, and yet I defy it. I stay awake longer. I have more focus than I should. This is all due to netism. This is through the intent. Will alone has powerful effects that can rebel in this reality. So, what type of energy are you putting out in the world today? I ask you. Positive or negative? It's your choice. And it's okay to ask for help. We're putting together more videos, more instructional, more information about netism and the net, and how we can work together as a community. Stay tuned. I'm looking forward to it.